Hello kids, here we are with the 5th chapter of your book, and that is Flying Man. Have you seen the cartoons and animation movies? The Superman, Batman, Spider-Man, they are all flying, isn't it? So here the poet has one more superhero. These are called the superheroes. So the poet has one more superhero, and the name that the poet has given to that superhero is the Flying Man. Okay, so we can see the pic here, Flying Man, and like on Spider-Man, S is written. In the same way, here on the dress of the Flying Man, FM is written. That means Flying Man. Okay, so here just see what the poet thinks about the Flying Man. Okay, what does the poet say to the Flying Man? Okay, yes, Flying Man, up in the sky, where are you going, flying so high? Over the mountains and over the sea, Flying Man, can you take me? Okay, so here the poet is a small child and like you, and is asking the Flying Man. When the poet saw the Flying Man, he asked something to the Flying Man. And what does he ask? Let's read once again. Once we'll just read the poem once more, and then I'll just explain it. Okay, Flying Man, up in the sky, where are you going, flying so high? Just see the rhyming words, sky and high. Okay, Flying Man, up in the sky, where are you going, flying so high? Over the mountains and over the sea, Flying Man, can you take me? So again, sea and me, they are rhyming words. Okay, so here let's go through the poem now. Flying Man, up in the sky. Where did the poet see the Flying Man? Up in the sky. Okay, because it was flying, so it was flying in the sky. So poet saw the Flying Man up in the sky. Where are you going to? Flying so high. So what does the poet ask? Where are you going? You are flying so high. So while flying, where are you going actually? Okay, where are you going? Flying so high. He is flying just high up in the sky. Okay, so the poet asks, poet has the curiosity, wants to know that where is the Flying Man going? So what does the Flying Man reply? Over the mountains and over the sea. So where was he going? Over the mountains. He was flying over the mountains and over the sea. So he says that I am flying over the mountains and over the sea. Okay, now what does the poet say? Flying Man, can you take me? Now the poet is a small child like you and also wants to fly in the sky, high up in the sky, over the mountains and over the sea. So he asked the Flying Man that whether you will take me also. Okay, so that is the small child with a small wish that he wants to fly up high in the sky with the poet. Okay, so let's read the poem once again. Flying Man, up in the sky, where are you going, flying so high? Over the mountains and over the sea, Flying Man, can you take me? Okay, now let's see what are the questions that are asked to us related to the story, related to the poem. What is the Flying Man doing? Now what will the Flying Man do, and what was he doing in the poem? He was flying high up in the sky. Now where is the Flying Man going? Where is the Flying Man going? So what did the Flying Man reply to the child? He is going to fly high up in the sky. He was flying in the sky, and where the child was asked the Flying Man that where are you going? So what did he answer? Over the mountains and over the sea. What is mentioned here? Over the mountains and over the sea. So where was the Flying Man going? What will be the answer? Where is the Flying Man going? The Flying Man was going over the mountains and over the sea. Okay, what does the child want to do? Now what wish did the child expressed in the poem? That he too wants to fly high up in the sky with the Flying Man. Okay, so what does the child want to do? The child also wants to fly high up in the sky like the Flying Man. So the child wants to fly in the sky. Okay, like the flying man. Okay, now let's see, tick the correct option. The flying man flies over the dash and over the sea. So where does the flying man flies? Over the sky? No, over the sky no one can go. Over the mountains. Okay, so the correct option is mountains. The flying man flies high or low? It's already given in the poem that he flies high up in the sky. So the correct option will be high. So this is the correct option. Match the rhyming words. I already told you the rhyming words while reading the poem. So now you can tell me which are the rhyming words here. The rhyming words are sky. This rhyming with sky is sky high. Okay, high up in the sky. So here sky and high both are rhyming words. Sea, the rhyming word for sea is me. So sea rhymes with me. Cat, mat. Which is the rhyming word for with cat? That is mat. So here all the three rhyming words we have matched. Now let's see what the poet says further to do. Imagine you are a pilot of an aeroplane. Talk about what you see outside your plane. So here whenever imagine you are a pilot. Now suppose you are also flying high up in the sky. Okay, now talk about what you see outside your plane. The poet asks that what do you see outside the plane? Now during the day what will you see when you fly high up in the sky? The greenery all around, the water, wherever there are oceans, there you'll see the water. So greenery and blue water you will see when you fly high up in the sky in the aeroplane. And at night what you will see? At night when you fly in the aeroplane, you will see just the lights twinkling like stars on the earth. Okay, so these are the things we see from the aeroplane when we fly high up in the sky, like the flying man. Who do you think is the flying man? Give him a name. So as I told you that these are the superheroes. Okay, so we can just say that he is a superhero. Now give him a name. We can give any name to the flying man, like Superman is there, Spider-Man is there. In the same way we can also give a special name as per our choice. Okay, so who is the flying man? Flying man is the superhero. So we can also give some name like super man. In case of Superman, we can just change the super and man. In those places we can just change those words and give some new name to it. Okay, so that is your task, that what name you will give to that superhero. That is the task for the day. Okay, so hope you understood the poem and liked it very well, and do not forget to subscribe for the channel, and we'll meet in the next video with the 6th chapter. Do not forget to watch it. The description for the same will be given in the description box. Okay, thank you.